Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Roslyn Sipsip, 30 years old. I have one son, 1 year old, and 3 months. I graduated at Cagayan State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have 4 years experience as a domestic helper in Singapore last June 2019 to June 2023. I finished my contract. My duties there is took care of two kids boys, 2 years old and 3 years old. And my other duties is cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, and car wash. Sometimes I cook Chinese food also, the basic Chinese food. Then I'm not yet too good in cooking the Chinese cuisine, but I am willing to learn. And sir, ma'am, if you hire me, I promise to be responsible, trustworthy, honest, and a fast learner. I am ready to work and learn more. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a good day.